Bonjour. Hello. My name is Sean Awesome. And welcome back to Will You Press a Button? So here we go. You can become a mermaid or merman, but all your family gets eaten by sharks. No, of course, no majority. 1,038 people didn't press. You can have Wolverine's claws, but you can't control when they come out or in. No, that would be cool, but no. 110 didn't press. You can play any instrument with impeccable skill, but nobody can hear you play the one you like most. Yeah, sure. 752 pressed. You will be so attractive, but the girl you like hates you. Sure. Ooh. Oh. Close this time. 134 pressed versus 135. You can be able to control all elements, but anytime you use your power, you feel pain. Yeah, who wouldn't want? Pain lets you know you're alive. You can eat unlimited tacos, but you're a Mexican. What's a downside here? I wouldn't mind being Mexican. You never have to pee again, but you poop twice as much. No. Woohoo! 792 didn't press. I'd much rather pee a log and not have to poop as much. You can have your favorite food, but every time you eat it, you will get grounded for eating it. Yeah, I don't get grounded anymore. 126 didn't press. You are very clever, but you're ugly. No. I'd rather be beautiful and have to work at it to become clever. You can never die, but you have to kill your best friend. No. I want to live forever. I don't want to live forever. Harambe gets revived from the dead, but there will soon be a Harambe apocalypse. Sure. I mean, it doesn't mean I'll die in the apocalypse. You are a billionaire. But you will turn into a crocodile when it's dark. Where the heck's the downside? Crocodiles are awesome. 90 people pressed. You can have your crush marry you, but French kiss your dad. Well, if I'd only have to do it once, then it'll be worth it. Yeah, I thought nobody wants to French kiss their dad. 181 didn't press versus my itty bitty 70. You get your favorite animal, but a penguin dies. Awful? No. What if penguins are my favorite animal? You grow boobies, but every time you clap they get bigger. No. Cool one didn't press. You will get unlimited food for the rest of your life, but you have to kill someone every time you eat. No. 1,012 people didn't press. You become invisible, but it's forever and you can't cover yourself with anything. No. 225 didn't press. Okay, one more. your crush falls in love with you, but your ex wants you back and comes to your house every day. Sure. Two 14. Okay, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 7 days a week on weekdays. I post my videos at 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. On weekends. I post at 11:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. And some days I'll sing. Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr are in the description. Hit like if you liked it. Au revoir, goodbye.